Hi everyone, welcome back to Mama's Nook for another DIY craft video. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy love themed piece for Valentine's Day. To make this, I will be using a wood heart, a couple of acrylic hearts, some paint and twine. This is all from Dollar Tree. Some Scrabble tiles, I got these on Amazon, a vinyl decal which I've made using my Cricut, and some hot glue. Let's get started. So I have pre-painted the wood heart so it would be dry for the video. I did a gray and then I dry brushed some pink. I'm going to be gluing the Scrabble pieces onto this wood heart. Always, forever, love you, me. I'm just going to glue a couple of little acrylic hearts. And add my vinyl decal. And all that's left, just add some twine to hang it. And it's all finished. Just that quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like. I would really appreciate your support. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.